Okay, cool. Let's do a oil change. Okay. The cops pulled up in a alarm. They want to ask. Kind of just go by a little too fast. So I don't know if you can see right here, but I installed this. You just take this clip off, safety clip, and then you open this, and it drains out the oil a lot quicker, a lot faster. Okay, so as you can see, we're doing the oil change. We're leaving everything clean. You know. So once you take that, oh wow, I'm tightening it. And we just make sure to always have a cardboard box on the bottom. Minimize the mess, or in my case, no mess at all. So, common practice is getting some oil, small oil. Okay, that's good enough. And then after that, you just awesome. Align it properly. Take your time. See, it should be nice and easy. And then you hand tighten this. That's all you need. So now we're putting oil in the car. I left that one there so I could drain. Always trying to clean up the mess, so. Okay, as you can see, we did the oil change, and that's dripping because I washed the car really quick. Yeah, well actually,